Hey there, Assalamualaikum everybody. Hope you guys are doing good. Welcome back for another amazing video. In this video, we're gonna talk about what's going on with the crypto market. What was that rally? All of a sudden, Bitcoin hitting 30K. Without any further ado, let's get this video started. So recently, you guys saw Bitcoin going up really quickly. Also, Ethereum going up about 10 to 20%. Bitcoin even hitting all 30K, and now looking like it's working towards the next resistance point, or yeah, next resistance point, which is about 40K. What's really going on? So first thing first, when a movement like this happens in the economy or in the markets, your first prerogative should be, or your first job should be, really, what is going on, why is it happening, why is there such quick movements. So BlackRock, which is one of the world's biggest funds management or wealth management firm from America, has recently filed a SEC filing for Bitcoin ETF, which is Bitcoin spot price ETF, where people with fiat money can also invest into Bitcoin, but through an ETF system. Now, if you don't know what ETFs are and whatnot, I'll link a video up here. I kind of already talked about ETFs and also talked about which ETFs are halal, and you guys can put your money in there. Anywho, so BlackRock actually controls quite a bit of investments globally. We're talking about $9 to $10 trillion, and that's huge. We're talking about an amount where when BlackRock says something, it is implemented on. I mean, this is the reason why there's ESG and the ESG rating, and this is the reason why a lot of different companies are doing certain things which morally a lot of people may not agree with, and they themselves may not agree with, may not even be part of their values, but all of a sudden they make it part of their values because when BlackRock's investments are at hand, things are being adjusted. So, Kat, BlackRock filed this request to the SEC, and this is after many companies have already been rejected for. So this is what you have to understand. This thing gets filed, and now people are getting excited. Oh my God! If it goes through, it's gonna make the token go much faster up. Because honestly, it would only take about like $60 billion from BlackRock, which for BlackRock is 0.7%, or even very little money for BlackRock to make the market go to the next point. But we have to be realistic. ARK and a few other really big names have been rejected already. I do know that BlackRock has a lot of pull with the SEC. However, since SEC has already rejected quite a bit of other companies, the most plausible case and the most probable case is that these guys are going to be rejected. And once that happens, the market is going to crash again, come down again. So, people who FOMO in for things like this and don't understand the market are the ones that get hit the most hardest. So be cautious, be careful, and on top of that, SEC has just started working against Binance.us. So you have all these things that Binance is going against crypto, but then all of a sudden BlackRock files in a request. You think it's going to be approved? I mean, there is a small chance. But from that small chance perspective, should we start FOMOing back into the market? From my personal opinion, I'm not taking this as a start of the bull run. I think the economy is still seeing inflation, still seeing interest rates being increased. We have the issue going on with Russia and a few other conflicts across the world. Plausible that this is a bull market. Now, where do I think the market will be? Again, I already gave an update a few weeks back. You guys can check that out, and I kind of looked forward. Potentially, what does the next 4 months to 8 months look like, in my humble opinion? Obviously, I'm going to do another update at the ending of this month, starting of the next month, to kind of give you guys an update on what's really going on, in my opinion, and where I think the market's heading. So for now, take this as a chance to learn from and see if this is a time that, probability wise, should I be jumping in, or is this maybe just maybe a potential hype which has no real essence behind it? But now let's just say if BlackRock's petition gets approval, then everybody else's petition will get approval, and then Binance can also use that as a power hold for their tokens and their operations here, and so can Coinbase, and so can everybody else. It's like most likely 95%, 90% it's not going to go through, but that 10% it will. It can be a big hit. And if you're banking on that 10%, well, that's the type of person you are. And if you're banking on the 90% that it's not going to go up, and this was just maybe a small hype, but not really truly going to be approved, then that's the type of person you are. So figure this out for yourself, do some research, and make a decision accordingly. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know about your opinion in the comments below. Check out my other social media. Assalamu alaikum.